Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are doing amazing. So today I am going to show you my quick, just 2 to 3 minutes, quick everyday makeup look. I'm going to my college, so I thought let's share my everyday college look with you guys. So starting off, I did my skin prep. For skin prep, I used first of all this Glow Recipe toner. This toner, I'm going to mention the name over here. Afterwards, I used my sunscreen. This Supergoop's matte sunscreen I used today. Okay, these were my basic skincare. I just took like 2 to 3 minutes to let them settle in. Now I'm moving towards my main makeup. So I'm going to take this NYX Thick It Brow mascara. So I'm just making sure to just define my eyebrow. That's it. You can just see the difference with just using this product. This is one of the best product. Like I have been using it for last 2 years, just this continuously, and it's one of the best product out there. Now moving forward, I am going to use my most favorite, like this is one of those concealer I can go back and forth. It's been years I have been using this concealer. This is a L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and the shade is 314 beige. It's slightly a bit like darker shade tone, but I prefer it for everyday basis. I just don't like very highlighting concealer. Okay, and just wherever you have some darkness or spot, for example this area, or just this area and this area, that's it. I am just going to make it as natural as I can. Okay, taking my blending brush, it's from Pack Cosmetics. I'm just making sure I'm just blending out my concealer nicely. You do not need to be perfect. It's your everyday makeup look. Just do however you love it. I'm just showing what I do it on everyday basis. You can just see the instant like difference between this side and this side. This is so good. Get it. Oh my god. Genuinely, guys, this is such a good, affordable drugstore concealer. I have a lot of high-end concealers too, but this is one of those concealers which I think everyone do should have in their vanity kit, and especially if you want like the minimal makeup thing in your vanity, like just one or two products. This is one of those products. Now to set this, I'm thinking just to apply my blush before like using any wet or dry products. So I'm taking this Rare Beauty blush, and it's in the shade Hope. It's such a nice blush. Just taking a little, not too much. Just a thought. Yeah, I just like something over here as well. I feel like, especially for makeup, it's completely customized. It's something which is very customizable and very personal. Everyone has the same makeup but uses different steps, different techniques, whatever they feel comfortable with, and every skin is different. So I would say to everyone out there, just do however you feel like, you however you're comfortable with. There is no right or wrong in makeup, especially. For example, I am using this blush, but I want something very light today, not a heavy one. So if someone would like some a blush which is like more intense, more pigmented, more like brightening or more prominent, which I don't like a lot of for everyday basis. But if you like, just go for it. Just add more layers to it, and that's it. I just wanted that natural flush of pink on my face, and which I got it. That's so nice. Okay, now quickly moving towards my under eye, back to my concealer. I'm taking quickly just this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Compact loose powder, whatever you could say, and this is in the shade medium. Okay, this is this is a miniature, and I have been using it continuously, but this is one of the best like product I have used, especially in high-end category. Okay, let me show you the technique as well. You're just going to take this on your powder puff, smoothen it out, and just press it, dab it. That's it. You just don't need to do this thing. Just press it nicely so that everything is nicely set. Last but not least, one of the last products, my mascara. This is my new mascara, though I just love this mascara. This is Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's such a nice mascara, especially for everyday basis. I just love it. Just let's quickly do it. So I'm done with my mascara too. I just applied a little. It's a bit clumsy, but I'm fine. It's fine. Sometimes it's okay. Last but not least, a lipstick. So today I'm using my most favorite lipstick, which I have been obsessed lately. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the shade Crush. It's a velvet lipstick, so it feels like you are just applying a lip balm or lip tint. That's it, and you just don't need a liner, or on everyday basis you need something quick. So let me show you, and it's such a pretty color. Hmm. Perfect. I'm just going to blend out. I'm just going to take it a little and just perfect. Just look. Oh my god, I just love this one. This is so good. That's it for my everyday makeup look, guys. I hope you guys loved it. If someone wants, they can use setting spray. One setting spray which I would recommend for you guys is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush setting spray. This is one of the good setting spray, but I know for everyday basis some people don't want to invest so much, so you can try, definitely try. The alternative for this is this Milani one. This is also good, and if this is very low, you want something very affordable, so I would highly suggest you guys to use this Revlon one. It's up to you guys, but I just don't feel like applying a setting spray today, but otherwise someday I do, someday I don't. That's it for my makeup tutorial, guys. I hope you guys loved it, and let me show you guys in more lighting. So this is how it looks. Such a nice everyday makeup look in just quick few steps, and I'm good to go. I hope you guys loved it. Do follow me for more such videos. I will see you super soon with this quick makeup tutorials, and if you have any recommendation for further videos, do let me know in the comment section. Till then, bye guys.